Hello friends, my name is Untitled. Today I am going to teach you a scenery, freezing atmosphere. Now I am going to start it. Take your cobalt blue color, cover the strip, using your water spread it up to 1/4 page. Here your sky is done. Now I am going to make it mountain. Blend up with the water. You can use it little bit water. Again, one more mountain. Little bit far away. Again, I'm going to use it water to spread and to show the levels of the mountain. If you need little bit dark, you can use it dark blue color. Little bit dark. I'm going to cover the border. Here too. I covered it. Now again I'm going to take it cobalt blue color. I'm showing the mountain ranges. Again using water to spread it. Again cobalt blue and little bit blend up with the water. Now take your detailing brush and a Persian blue color. I'm giving little bit border. Even here too. Now I'm going to take a green color. Take a dark green color. For making a pine tree. Here. Go it little bit upside. I took it dark green color. Still little bit more lower side, downside. Little bit black color I'm going to take it to show the darkness. Again little bit dark green color. So here my palm tree is ready. Now I'm going to make it stems in the center. One along center stem. Here my palm tree is ready. Even also you can show few freezing grass here. Now I'm going to take it light brown color for showing the house. Here is my light brown color. Now waiting for drying little bit. And one palm tree at the back side of the house. Which is little bit far away, so I'm going to make it small. I took it black color for showing the darkness. Now I'm going to take it green color. Now at the center I'm going to make it stem and the border of a house with the black color. Here a tree is ready. Now going to make it house. Door, make it dark. Your house is done. A fences lying towards downside. Here, a freezing atmosphere landscape is ready. You can make it your own self, friends. Enjoy, take care.